JavaScript. So you can enter the script either in the header section or in the body. So under the JavaScript, we are working on function. Let me try to type the tag function script. So you end it up with script. So we can write a function that will change the property of the text. So function is a keyword in JavaScript. Let's call it change space name of the function to be change. So then the beginning of the function, the end of the function, we mark with parentheses. Let's define our document variable is equal to, we can use any variable name. O, variable O is equal to document. What we are trying to do is to first of all get the elements by ID. Elements by ID. Then equals so the name of the ID, it has to be given to, let's call it Y6 to be the ID, or any other letter, B6 to be the ID. So B6 to be the ID. The ID has to be input semicolon to end up get element documents, get element by ID semicolon. So we have now the ID represents D. So now it's not correct. So now, since the ID represents, I can change the property, change the face or the attributes dot change it to change the style. Font size size to 40 pixel. So 40 pixel, 40 px, which is 40 pixel. I can close the quotation, end it with semicolon. If possible, also change the color, the style color from normal black color, that is it, which is it. So I'm changing it to blue color. I'm changing it to blue color. So it's equal to blue. So I've written the script that will change the font size to 40, the paragraph, the color, font color to blue. So now the next thing is to type the text in the body and put it in a paragraphing the text to be typed. What is going to be the text ID? If you look at already I've let it be the normal B6. So whatever occurs during the execution of this font, this attribute will be applied to whatever we type here. So close the paragraph tab. So anywhere we mark with this paragraph, this particular paragraph tag with reference to this ID, these effects will be applied. Thanks very much. I love. Thanks. Very much. I love this. Then you mark the end of the paragraph. By P. That means I've end of the paragraph. Now let me introduce button commands. So whenever I click on the button, I want these effects to take place. So that means I'm going to use on click events. On click events. This on click events will enable me, whenever I call this name change, which has been defined in my function. So whenever I change, on click events take place on the button. On the button created. So I can even type click me. Click click me. So whenever this take place, let me end up the button tag. Good. Whenever this click me, or this should be inside the body, not outside the body. Let me cut and paste. You know the script already is in the body, and the paragraph should be inside the body, not outside the body. So whenever this click may take place, this effect will be applied for this text. So let's run it and see what will happen. So the text appear whenever I click this. The event supposed to appear. So I have to go through my code very well to see click. Yeah, whether there's a mistake here. There's a click, should be on click. So it has, can you see that has changed? It has changed. It has changed. The color is changing, but the text is not changing. So that means you come down here to see what happened. I want you to know that JavaScript is what? It's case sensitive. That's case sensitive, total case sensitive. So it's changing to blue, while the pixel is not changing. If I change it onto red, it's changing now. You can see it has changed to red. The font size is also changing. You can see it's changing. The effect is taking place. So that's a short tutorial on how to create a function and how to call by using on-click events, applying a particular attribute to a given text. So thanks.